Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use blue color and now we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. Now we draw C. Kids, the next one is D. Now we draw the letter of E. The next one is numbers. Now we use green color. Kids, first we use green color and now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. And now we draw 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of heart. Now we draw pentagon. Kids, now we use yellow color. The color of yellow. Circle. Kids, now we draw the shape of circle and the next one is square. Kids, the next one is star. Now we draw star. Now we use black color. The next one is triangle. We again use black color. The shape of triangle. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.